Hello everyone, I am Dr. Meenu Handa, the Clinical Director for IVF and Fertility at Cloudnine Hospital, Golf Course Road, Gurugram. We should today be talking about egg freezing, when is the best time and what are the steps of egg freezing. So egg freezing has now become a very common technology that is being offered to women for a variety of the reasons. Number one, we all started this as a fertility preservation technique, whereby the freezing of eggs was one of the options given to women suffering from cancer just before undergoing chemotherapy. So that was a way to preserve their fertility. The second reason when we offer is for social causes, where a woman has decided to delay her pregnancy or for whatever social reasons she's not yet got married or she's divorced or doesn't have a partner and the biological clock is ticking. We do understand that as we age, not only the quality of the eggs go down, but the number of eggs also rapidly decline once the woman crosses the 35 years of age. So that is a reason when, for social reasons, egg freezing is now very commonly being done. Now, success rate of a live birth pregnancy from these frozen oocytes is dependent upon what was the age of the woman, the time that she had chosen to freeze the eggs. So as I just said, that age is the most important determining factor which determines or it impacts the success rate of your egg freezing cycle. We know that age less than 30 years will have a more good quality eggs that would lead to a better and a good quality or a healthy embryo giving rise to pregnancy. So friends, if you ask me what is the best time to freeze your eggs, it is definitely before 35 years of age.